Your moderator received a question from Jaymee Ann Digneneng, a senior high school student. She asked me to explore on the Philippine judicial system. Specifically, she is inquiring if justice is delivered in a timely manner. So, here's my response. As an embodiment of the maxim justice delayed is justice denied, Section 16 of Article 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution mandates that all persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. But for decades, escalating caseloads has been a great challenge in the Philippine judicial system. So, to realize timely delivery of justice, several legislative measures have been enacted and implemented. For example, the Local Government Code of 1991 provides an avenue for amicable settlement of disputes through the Katarungan Pambarangay. Another legislative enactment that I can cite is the Republic Act 8493 or the Speedy Trial Act of 1998. This provides for specific time limits for every stage of a criminal case. It stipulated that the entire trial period should not exceed 180 days. But of course, it allows reasonable and excusable delays. The law also provided the continuous trial system for criminal cases, which has been very instrumental in expediting adjudication of cases. Another law is Republic Act number 9285 or the Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004. This act minimized lawsuits filed in courts. There are also mechanisms created by the judiciary like the Rule on Small Claims. This governs the procedure in actions before the Metropolitan Trial Courts, Municipal Trial Courts, and Municipal Circuit Trial Courts for payment of money where the value of claim does not exceed 100,000 pesos. This rule also provides a same-day rendition of judgment, so justice, I can say, is delivered in a timely manner. And there's no more appeal in here because the process is informal. Plus, it prohibits the presence of lawyers. This is the same in mediation where proceedings do not require lawyers. Although in the small claims, lawyers are prohibited. In mediation, they can appear, but normally as a mediator, I prefer talking to the parties without their counsel. Well, I'm proud to be part of one of the judiciary's mechanisms in the realization of timely disposition of cases, being a court-annexed mediator under the Philippine Mediation Center or PMC. The court-annexed mediation is done during pre-trial. It is a process of settling disputes where mediators like me facilitates the identification of issues of parties and later on come up with feasible proposal to settle the dispute of the parties being mediated. The goal is actually to arrive at a mutually acceptable arrangement. Win-win. And then this becomes the reference or basis of the court in deciding on the case. Not all proceedings are successful though. For instance, I had failed mediations, but there is another proceeding called Judicial Dispute Resolution. That is when mediation fails. If the Judicial Dispute Resolution or JDR to become successful, then it shall be concluded on the basis of compromise. If it fails, then the case shall be brought back to court, then litigation proceeds. And during this pandemic, filing of criminal complaints, information, applications for bail, inquest, and court hearings are now done online. So you see, there is really a massive reform and innovation initiatives in the Philippine justice system to realize prompt and speedy disposition of cases. So I hope that I was able to provide a substantial information on your query, Jaymee. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is your moderator, Melanie Briones.